If any of you have ever been on a date, you've probably been asked the question at some point, what's your sign? And some of you have probably responded with, I'm not sure. But no need to worry. Today I'll be demonstrating to you and my audience how to answer this question confidently and maybe learn a little bit about yourself in the process. I'll start by explaining what your sign is. When people ask this question, they're referring to the location of the sun in the sky on the day that you were born. For example, for most of the month of July, the sun is moving through the constellation of Cancer, therefore, making most people born in July Cancers. But your sun is not the only important planet that can tell us about yourself. We each have 12 houses in a birth chart, meaning we have all of the planets and constellations in their respective houses. But rapidly moving planets, like the moon, hold more weight than slow-moving planets like Pluto, which stays in the same constellation for an entire generation. Today, I'll be discussing 3 aspects of your birth chart with you: your sun, your moon, and your ascendant. These 3 are commonly referred to using the cupcake analogy. Your sun is the cake, your moon is the filling, and your ascendant is the icing on top. Today I'll be showing my audience how to do this via a website called cafeastrology.com. The first thing you're going to do is go to Google and search up Cafe Astrology and click the first link that pops up. When you make it to this page, you're going to scroll down to the box that says Free Reports and Calculations. You're going to click this box. When you get here, scroll down just a little and click on Free Astrology Reports. When you get to this page, if you've already created a chart, you'll just click Create New Chart. Here, you're going to need to type in your name, your date of birth, and the time of day that you were born. You're going to want to know your exact time if you'd like to find out your ascendant. But don't worry, if you don't know your exact birth time, you can still learn your moon and your sun sign. And lastly, you're going to type in your birth city. Well, and once this box pops up, you can just click on it and scroll down, and then you're going to click Submit. Here, you'll have a little blurb of information, but that isn't important right now. We're just going to scroll down to this table. And as you can see on this table, your sun and your moon are the first 2 boxes on the left chart. And your ascendant is the first box on the right chart. Your sun represents your personality and your identity. It's how you make your final decisions. Your moon is how you express your emotions and feel them. And your ascendant is the character you play and your physical appearance. I don't have time in this speech to name the characteristics of each sign, but if you'd like to learn more about your sign, this website is a fantastic resource. The constellation that each planet is in impacts how that planet affects you. For example, my sun is in the constellation of Capricorn, meaning my identity and my ego and my personality are based on practicality and responsibility. My moon is in the constellation of Leo, meaning I am warm and expressive with my emotions. And my ascendant is in Cancer, meaning that my personality and the character that I play are nurturing and affectionate. Astrology is a fun and informative way to learn more about ourselves and the global energies surrounding us. I hope that the information I've presented today helps you learn a little bit more about yourself and what affects you on a daily basis.